Hey, this is Tim of MarineDiagnosticTools.com, Diesel Laptops. I'm going to show you today as an idle air control valve test with the Jaltest. We're on a 2016 Mercury 90 horsepower 4-stroke. We're going to click on the idle air control tab. Check the box. Check the box again. And that's going to go through the test processing. You can either look at it this way as it's going through the test, or you can hit the graph and it'll graph it out as you do the test. And you can hear it in the background. And that test has finished. This is a 2016 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. And that was the idle air controlled valve test with the Jaltest. This is Tim with Marine Diagnostic Tools, Diesel Laptops. Thanks for watching.